Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I created this very easy updo that looks so sophisticated. Just split your hair into two and then take from the crown hair first the left hand side and then the right hand side and bring this into a little ponytail. I'm using clear elastics for my blonde mannequin head. Pull out a bit to give it some structure, and now take small strands from one side and combine it with another tinier strand from the side next to the hair tie. Then bring from the opposite side a next strand over and take a tiny bit of hair next to the hair tie. You can always twist it a bit, smooth the hair out, you can make it look neat. There are different ways to use this style. Combine the two strands together and then tighten them a bit. You always go with the strand over the hair tie and then under the strand you did before, always combining it to another strand, and like this you don't need any bobby pin, nothing that pinches your head, just little tiny elastics, and there is no need to bring around the strands, the elastic, too many times. They will just get softened and they could break, especially in summer. So give it perhaps 3 to 4 turns and then it will last perfectly a whole day. Do this until you reach the neck of your head. Grab under the existing strands, and now I'm just flipping it around and I split the hair, do a twisted braid, then tie it off with another clear elastic and wrap it inside of the updo. And then you need 2 or 3 bobby pins, as many as you want, just to make it hold, and that is the final hairstyle. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. We are uploading 2 to 3 times new tutorials on our channel. Thanks for watching.